Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Starz on Firestick, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Starz on your Firestick, start by turning on your device. Make sure your Firestick is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll to the search icon in the top left corner. Type in Starz using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Starz app from the search results. Click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Starz app. You will see a prompt to sign in or activate your account. Enter your email and password associated with your Starz account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have the option to create one. After signing in, look for an activation code displayed on your screen. Now, using a web browser on your computer or mobile device, go to the activation website provided on your screen. Enter the activation code in the designated field. Click the Submit button to complete the activation process. Once the activation is successful, return to the Starz app on your Firestick. You should now have full access to all the content available on Starz. Enjoy watching your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.